Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. In this video, we will discuss one-liner questions of soybean crop and it will be very useful for all the upcoming agri competitive exams. So without any delay, let's start this video. Question number first, the botanical name of soybean, and the answer is Glycine max. Soybean, it belongs to the family of Leguminosae and the chromosome number it is 2n is equal to 40. Question number 4, the origin of soybean, and the answer is China. The fruits of soybean it is known as pod, whereas the inflorescence of soybean it is known as raceme. Question number 7, plants are soybean it is a self-pollinated, it is a C3 and a short day plant. Soybean it is also known as wonder crop, yellow jewel, boneless meat, poor meat and dairy plant. These all are the alternate names for soybean. Question number 9, which Indian state it is known as soya state, and the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh it is a state which is also known as soya state. Question number 10, Directorate of Soybean Research it is located in Indore in the year 1987. Question number 11, in which crop was first applied Bt in the world, and the answer is soybean. Question number 12, black color in soybean seed it is due to, the answer is anthocyanin. Because of anthocyanin there is a black color in soybean. Question number 13, the oil percent, and the answer is 20% of oil it is present in soybean, whereas 40 to 42% of protein it is present in soybean. And soybean it is the major oilseed crop in the world which accounts for 50% of the total area as well as production. Next question number 15, sowing time, and the answer is we can sow soybean from 25th of June to 5th of July. Next question number 16, the seed rate it is 80 kg per hectare, it is the optimum seed rate for soybean. For late planting the seed rate it may be 100 to 120 kg per hectare and the spacing it is 30 into 10 centimeter. Question number 17, the sowing depth of seed, we have to sow the soybean seed at the depth of 3 to 4 centimeter. Question number 18, the varieties which are introduced from USA, and the answer is Bragg, Lay, Kent, Clark 63. These all are the varieties of soybean which is introduced in India from USA. Question number 19, the Indian varieties are, the answer is Shilajit, Alankar, Ankur, Punjab 1, Gaurav, NRC 2737, JS 9560 and 335. This all are the Indian varieties of soybean. Question number 20, the suitable fertilizer dose it is 30 is to 60 to 70 is to 60 kg per hectare, it is the fertilizer dose which is recommended for soybean. Question number 21, which vitamin it is destroyed when soybean pulse it is heated, the answer is vitamin C. This vitamin it is destroyed when soybean it is heated, whereas in case of other crops when they are heated they lost vitamin C. Question number 22, which state is the highest producer of soybean? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, near about 57.13% of cultivation of soybean it is done. Next question number 23, which country it is the highest producer of soybean? And the answer is USA. Question number 24, the major diseases of soybean, the answer is charcoal rot, yellow mosaic and black heart. This charcoal rot it is caused by the causal organism Microphomina fasciolina. Next question number 25. The major insect pest in case of soybean. The answer is girdle beetle, white fly, and semi looper. These all are the major insect pest of soybean. Question number 26. The major weeds which are associated with soybean. The answer is Echinocoli colonum, Cyprus rotundus, and Sorghum helpens. These all are the weeds which are associated with sorghum. And for the control purpose of this weed, we are having some herbicides, that is fluclorarin, alachlor, and imazipur. These all are the herbicides which are used for the weed control. Question number 28. The yellow mosaic it is transmitted by the vector of yellow mosaic disease, it is white fly, that is Bemisia tabaci. Question number 39. How much loss in production by weed in soybean field? If the control measures are not adopted, then we can have about 40 to 45% of loss in soybean field. So this was all about important questions of soybean. For more such videos, stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.